Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this 3 ingredient ice cream. It's one of my favorites. So for starters, you're going to need a bowl, a wide bowl to enable you mix properly. 1/4 of a cup of sugar. I'm going to be listing all the ingredients in the description box and their proper measurements. So in case I miss it here. A tin of milk. You can use any brand of your choice. A lemon. A very big and sumptuous lemon, because that's the main ingredients. Like without lemon, what are you doing? So I love to press the lemon a bit to get more juice out of it. Like I'm someone who loves a lot of lemon, so yeah, because I squeeze a lot. So if you just came across my channel for the first time, hey, welcome to the family. Do have to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I upload new videos. Like, comment, and share my videos. And for my returning subscribers, this squad, thank you guys for watching the video. So I'm going to be using my hand mix here. I've listed that in the description box so you could get one for yourself. Hand mixes are very handy and they're good to have. So I'm going to be pouring my milk in. Note this milk is very cold. Your milk should be very cold, like close to frozen state, I think. Yeah, so it should be very cold to enable air enter it properly. So we're getting every single drop on the can on the tin, sorry. So let's get those out of the way, because when you start mixing, I don't want to pour things down. So whatever's in your way, get it out. So let's start whisking it. So wow, I'm saying a lot of so today. Well, you guys should pardon me, I'm not used to this voiceover thing. I'm just starting it for the first time, so yeah. And I said so again. Oh my god. To continue whisking to enable air enter into the milk properly. You begin to notice some bubbles and foaming up. Then you begin to gradually add your sugar. Gradually, not at once. So you see, I didn't pour all at once. Just continue whisking. And as you add your sugar, make sure you dissolve everything in it. So the whisker is gonna wow, the whisking machine is going to help break and dissolve all the sugars here beating it. So yeah, oh my god, I don't know what I just said that. Anyway, so you can see what I'm doing there continuously. I think you whisk for about 5 to 6 minutes. The entire process is maximum 8 minutes because of filming. I have to cut out some part anyway. So yeah, you can begin to see it's beginning to form this kind of thick consistency, although we're not there, but we're there. You can see, yeah, getting thicker and thicker by the second. Like, this is my go-to for ice cream. You know, if I cannot just go out and get ice cream, just get milk and lemon and I'm good to go. Anyway, I always have lemon in my fridge, so yeah. Beat and beat and whisk and whisk and whisk. I don't know what I'm saying. Now it's time to pour the lemon. I know it looks like it's a lot, but trust me, it is divine. So immediately you pour a bit of lemon, although I decided to pour all at once, you see that's got thick, or it's coagulated. I think this process is called, or action is called coagulated, and you can see how thick it is, like very thick. So you beat it for a while so that the entire lemon is incorporated into the entire milk properly. Every single aspect of the milk has lemon in it. Oh yes. I'm just mix. So there you have it, guys. Your ice cream is ready. Like just 3 ingredient ice cream. Now we're going to transfer it into the bowl. We want to put it in the freezer. Let's chill or freeze for a couple of hours. Maximum should be 4 hours. So you should leave in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours to get the perfect ice cream. Like ice cream. Now that I'm even doing the voiceover in these videos, I'm it's like I should make another one and just take it, because this was divine when I took it. And I think for health's sake, I don't take this very often, but I take it, like, let's say in a month I can say I take this up to 3 or 4 times. So yeah, that's how obsessed I am with this ice cream. Sometimes I even forget there's regular ice cream. Sometimes I even get to the store or the supermarket and I pick it and I'm like, let me just go home and make a simple one. So I just go back home and buy ice cream. Sometimes I buy it for 3 or 4 cans, depends on my mood. And there you have it, guys. I was not patient enough to wait for 4 hours. I only left this in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, and then I took it back and I promised to take it. Like, guys, this is divine. So if you've gotten to this part of the video, please do well to hit the like button. If it goes well to help my channel, please turn on your post notification, subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.